Okay, so this barbecue glove sets become my go-to whenever I'm the grill or handling me seafood. Fit-wise, they're true to size snack, but nothing with good finger movement, so no needed to size up to down. Quality feels like too. These iron films throwaways. There are thick 10 mil Nitrile with a diamond texture grip, so graspy ribs and hard tools don't slip out my hands. The heat resistance is the real deal, especially with the cotton liner under hand. I can grab stuff right off the grill without flinching. They hold up great, don't they? And you get a ton in the box plus washable liners. So the value is awesome. Tony gave me this as a gift, and now I won't grill whatever I am.